Hai, saya Abang J. Kali ni Abang J nak share review pasal Bulgari Man. Okay? Bulgari Man dia ada banyak range. Okay, so for me to have all the range, I rasa I can't afford to have all. Even though like I have 4 of this Bulgari Man punya collection. Ada yang I beli dan juga ada yang sometimes people present to me, like macam friend going somewhere, birthday present, you know, like macam because they know that I love perfume, so they just want to give something special to me. Alright, so when it comes to Bulgari, okay, Bulgari ni with the perfume yang I cerita sebelum ni, Bulgari is the perfume made in Italy, so it's very Italian. Okay, so different than some other perfume. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about this Bulgari Man EDT. Okay, Bulgari Man EDT spray ni, okay, okay lah, spray sikit. Memang suka, memang bau dia a bit strong. And then another thing, Bulgari ni dia ada lock. Kalau misal kata you want to keep there, you can lock dia macam ni. Memang dia senang, kalau you nak spray, you just pusing. So this Bulgari Man EDT, okay, launch in 2010. Dia punya performer ataupun yang mencipta dia adalah Alberto Morillas, Italian, and he's been doing like macam all these 4, what I know is that memang dia yang perform, dia yang dapatkan bau-bauan dekat dalam 4 collection yang dia ada ni. So for this, dia in the fragrance lah, they will call this like Oriental woody fragrance, okay, in Italy, because dia memang more to the woody kind of things, dia punya bau tu. Before apa-apa, I will go to the main acid dulu supaya orang tahu what are the difference between these 4. Dia punya main acids dia as usual ada bergamot, and then dia ada violet leaves, okay, daun violet. Okay, for the fruity dia ada white pear. Lepas tu dia woody smell yang dia cakap tadi, sandalwood, and then dia ada vegetal amber. Lepas tu dia ada white wood, dia ada benzoin. Lepas tu dia ada tonka bean, dan juga dia ada white honey. So dia ada a little bit of honey tu untuk rasa macam, you know, a bit sweet untuk dia punya smell. That's why dia ada dia punya bau yang tersendiri for this one. Okay, so nothing much that I can say when it comes to dia punya longevity tu. I akan cakap for me it's a little bit moderate, but what I can see from comment, diorang tak banyak sangat comment lah, because actually Bulgari Man ni diorang akan cakap moderate to long lasting. Okay, ada yang kata long lasting dan ada juga yang kata moderate dia punya bau. But for me, I akan cakap dia moderate aja lah for this one, because cuma dia ada fruity tu sebab dia ada pear, and dia ada what you call that, dia ada violet leaves tu, memang sedap lah, lain daripada perfume yang dia ada collection lain. So not so much that I can talk to you about this. Tapi the second one, like this Bulgari Man Extreme ni, okay, I suka spray dekat sini sebab dia punya bau memang sedap. So bila ada dekat kulit Amir tu, Amir rasa macam nak bercerita tu pun sangat bersemangat. Okay, so this one pun sama juga. Okay, Bulgari Man launch in 2010 sama dengan EDT. Alright, made in Italy, and then performer dia sama juga, Alberto Morillas. Lepas tu, okay, we go to the main acid pula. Main acid dia pula yang ada dekat sini, dia ada pink grapefruit, that means very fruity. Lepas tu dia ada bergamot. Lepas tu make it different than this one, dia ada cactus zest, cactus punya zest. Lepas tu dia ada white freesia, and then ada cardamom. Lepas tu dia ada what you call that, amber, high tea vetiver, okay, and then dia ada benzoin. Lepas tu dia ada balsa wood. Okay, so daripada dua ni aja kita dah tahu dia more to the woody kind of smell. Lepas tu dia ada fruity punya smell. Okay, what I can say untuk extreme ni pula, dia punya longevity for me lah, it's very moderate and very what you call that, very long lasting. I suka sangat sebab dia memang tahan. At least dalam 5 to 6 hours tu, I rasa memang with my body dengan weather kat Malaysia ni, dia memang so good on me lah. Untuk silage dia, I akan cakap moderate lah. Macam bau dia macam tak adalah macam very strong like macam bila itu you terus macam tak ada, dia memang sedap, dia very moderate and very relaxing to smell. I sangat suka. Okay, so now these two actually sedap lah juga, tapi in the market not people talk about it so much. Okay, yang paling selalu orang cakap apa ni, Bulgari Man ni is like macam Man in Black ni. So many people loves Man in Black. So sebab orang selalu cakap pasal Man in Black, so I want to get myself one bottle of Man in Black. Okay, this Bulgari Man in Black pula launch in the year 2014. Alright, made in Italy sama dengan yang lain. Lepas tu dia punya performer pun masih sama juga, Alberto Morelos. And then one thing, dia dikenali sebagai oriental fragrance. Okay, lepas tu apa yang I nak cakap pasal dia punya main accords kat sini, sebab dia ada neo oriental, dia ada vibrant spices, and then I would say dia ada ambery rum, lepas tu dia ada iris concrete, dia ada tuberose flower, and then dia ada leather punya smell, dia ada benzoin, tonka bean and woody. Alright, so nothing much about this, tapi I cakap dengan you, memang once you put on the skin, especially kat sini lah, ni I letak kat sini sebab bila menjadi bau je, bila nak bercakap tu macam I feel in the mood of Italian, you know, like, macam memang very the Italian kind of smell. I really like it. Alright, so in 2014 dia buat Bulgari Man in Black, and then 2015, 1 year after that, dia buat a little bit more concentrated scent from this Bulgari Man. So they call it Bulgari Man in Black Intense. Okay, yang ini memang higher concentration. Lepas tu dia punya spicy, dia punya main accord dia ada spicy notes of rum. Lepas tu dia ada cardamom, lepas tu dia ada cinnamon, dia ada raisin, dia ada apa tu, tuberose, dia ada iris, and then dia ada leather, tonka bean, woody dengan benzoin. So these are all whatever main accords yang dia cakap ni. Actually before this pun in other men punya perfume pun, dia punya main accords pun hampir sama. Cuma yang ini dia letak cinnamon, you know, like a little bit of spices dia tu dia letak cinnamon. So bila you spray aja, memang bau dia macam lepas tu yang ini I tak boleh cakap moderate, yang ini memang long lasting, because when you spray, when you go out, memang I would say like macam kalau I pergi let's say I ada evening dinner ke ataupun ada function in the evening, so I spray ni sekali memang sampai ke tengah malam tu. Daripada the event start at 8, I spray at 6, so sampai I balik malam tu, memang dia punya bau tu sangat bertahan dan I sangat suka. Okay, what makes it a little bit different than other perfume, I would say because it's made from Italy, so dia punya bau Italian tu memang ada, because dia Italian, they like, for me lah, daripada apa yang I tengok Bulgari Man ni, people keep on talking about Bulgari Man, jadi I pun macam nak tahu juga. So bila I dah ada the collection, what I can say, dia punya bau masculine tu sangat strong, and then dia ada macam masculine tu, lepas tu dia ada macam a little bit of sexy, dia ada macam very romantic when you wear it, you know, you can feel yourself sebab bau dia sangat sedap, you know, like macam very manly. You rasa macam, even like me, if I want to go to the gym pun, I rasa I don't mind macam untuk pergi gym tu, to make myself feel good, I can spray ni dulu, then only I go for my exercise or whatever, my workout, you know, because it really makes me feel very good, you know. It builds my confidence level to do my workout, you know, macam bersemangat lagi, you know, macam put the strength, because I feel so good about myself. Okay, so that's all. So Amjad harap, because ada yang bertanya dengan Abang J, why not you talk about Bulgari Man in Black, dia suka sangat dengan ni, so dia nak tahu what are the things that makes Bulgari Man in Black ni is a good perfume in the market. So this is what I can share with you all, and I hope kalau ada apa-apa yang you nak bertanya, you can always ask me, so I can share whatever things. Cuma macam when I talk about other perfume, I ada something yang macam ada dia punya X factor, but when it comes to Bulgari because I myself, I cuma pakai Bulgari when I feel like macam when I'm going out with a function ataupun my surrounding of people, when I go for event ke apa semua, all the youngsters, because as you know lah, I don't want to hide my age. I'm already 52, so macam during my time was like macam this kind of smell tak, I'm more into macam bau-bau macam Dunhill, you know, Lancome, you know, Calvin Klein. Tapi Bulgari Man is for people yang macam very energetic, very modern, you know. This is the smell, I think you guys gonna love it. And if you want to have a different smell than others, you know, like macam setengah orang ni dia akan pakai this kind of smell. Macam Eros, di jalan aja you tahu, oh itu Versace Eros. You know, like macam kalau you pakai Chorus YSL, you walk, people notice, because these are the smell yang orang sangat tahu. Okay, macam Bulgari Man ni pun dia ada dia punya own signature. So I would say if you want to try something different, you want to be a different smell from other people, you want to build your own personality, I think this is a nice perfume sebab dia moderate dan long lasting. And dia punya bau pun very masculine, sangat sedap sebab dia ada all the woody and the fruity punya bau tu ada dekat dalam dia punya main essence. So itu saja yang menjadi boleh bercerita tentang Bulgari Man tu. Sebab 4 ni saja yang dia ada. Hopefully in the future I boleh tambah lagi sebab Bulgari Man keep on ada lagi. So I hope I can tambahkan lagi punya collection. Alright. So sebelum Abang J mengundurkan diri, Abang J minta please share, komen dan juga subscribe. Okay, anything just ask me, because I feel like macam I really want to share whatever things that I have here with you guys, and I hope you guys, if whatever things that you want to have a discussion with me, you can just comment and then we can discuss. Maybe, you know, like macam, oh, I got the tips from you, so why not? You know, it's just a matter of share. This review is like macam sharing, and I just want to let people know what I think about this perfume, you know, like so that when you make a decision ataupun you nak beli satu perfume tu, sekurang-kurangnya you ada knowledge a little bit, you know, pasal perfume tu, then you get for yourself. Okay, lastly before Abang J nak pergi, Abang J nak cakap, okay, even though I cakap dengan you dia moderate dan long lasting, but don't forget, always when you want to buy, always put like this, you know, like macam for about biar dia vaporize on your skin, and then you just walk, you know, pergi jalan-jalan dulu. See, after 1 hour, whether the smell is still there, then means that it suits you. Then you get, if you love the smell, because sometimes perfume after few minutes dia akan bertukar. You know, after few minutes dia akan bertukar. That's why dia ada top notes, middle notes dan juga base notes. Okay, so untuk itu saja. Kita jumpa lagi untuk episod yang akan datang. Okay, jumpa lagi tau, jangan tak jumpa. Bye.